What are the requirements for a building permit in the Philippines? A lot of projects get delayed for months because the requirements are incomplete or wrong. I'm Vic, and I've been in the construction industry for 30 years. Today, I'll teach you the complete and correct set and why each requirement matters so you don't waste time and money. Why is it important to have complete and correct requirements? Incomplete documents, rejected immediately. Rejected means you go back, line up again, submit again. 1 month delay. In construction, time is money. In my 30 years, this is still the number one reason for delays permits. We had a project in Rizal where we submitted complete perfect documents and the permit sat untouched for 2 months, not because anything was wrong, but because it just wasn't being processed. We called repeatedly and got nothing but check back next week until we finally filed a formal complaint. Only then did the permit magically appear within days, costing our client 2 months of delay for absolutely no reason. Quick reminder, every LGU has its own differences, but this is the standard baseline. But before we go to the requirements, let me ask you first, why do you even need a building permit? There are three major reasons. Number one, legal compliance. It's required by law. Presidential Decree 1096, the National Building Code. Construction without a permit is illegal. Consequences: stop work orders, demolition, fines up to 20,000, and imprisonment up to 2 years. Number two, safety and structural integrity. The permit process is quality control. Government engineers verify your design is safe. No permit, no safety check. Your family's lives are at risk. Number three, property value and future transactions. No permit, you can't get loans, sell the property, or even get an electrical connection. It protects your investment. Building permits are not red tape, it's protection. Legal, safety, and financial protection. Now let me teach you how to get it. Let's divide it into 5 categories so it's easy to understand. 5. You need all of them. There's no shortcut, and I'll show you why every signature and seal matters. Category 1. Application forms and permits. You need 5 sets of application forms notarized, signed, and sealed by licensed professionals. Main permit. Building permit application. Related permits, if applicable. Sanitary, plumbing permit. Electrical permit. Electronics permit for CCTV, smart home systems. Demolition permit, if demolishing existing structures. Mechanical permit for HVAC, elevators. Not all permits apply to all projects, but if required, the exact professional must sign for accountability and legal protection. Category 2. Technical plans and documents. 5 sets each, 20 inches by 30 inches. Lot survey plan. Signed and sealed by licensed geodetic engineer. Must be recent geodetic or relocation survey. Design plans 5 sets each. Structural plans. Architectural plans. Electrical plans. Plumbing plans. Mechanical plans, if applicable. Electronics plans, if applicable. Supporting documents 5 sets each. Design specifications. Bill of quantities. Structural design analysis, except 1 story below 20 square meter. Electrical design analysis. Soil boring test, if 3 story or 9 meter plus height. All signatures and seals must be licensed, registered, with valid PTR for legal accountability and protection. Category 3. Professional credentials. For every professional involved, 2 photocopies each. PRC ID. Professional Regulation Commission ID. Clear. Full details visible. PTR. Professional tax receipt. Current year only. Expired PTR equals automatic rejection, so check their PTR before hiring them. Additional requirements. Optional. Mayor's permit of the contractor current year. Original or certified true copy. Secretary's certificate, if owner is a corporation, notarized. Category 4. Property documents. Land title 2 certified true copies. Transfer certificate title or TCT, certified true copy, from Registry of Deeds with red ribbon seal, not simple photocopy to prevent fake titles. Tax declaration 2 certified true copies. Land and existing improvements. Certified by Assessor's Office proof government recognizes the property. Land classification. Must match building, use agricultural land, is not equal to residential permit without conversion via DAR, LGU. Tax documents 2 copies each. Tax clearance. Original copy. Current year proof of no unpaid taxes. Real property tax receipt. Official receipt. Current year. Fully paid proof of payment. If not the registered owner, notarized. Contract of lease if rented. Contract to sell if installment. Deed of absolute sale if bought but title not yet transferred. Category 5. Special clearances, if applicable to your project. Developer's clearance if in a subdivision. Signed by developer with approved plan. Locational clearance from LGU Planning Office. Proof of zoning compliance. BFP clearance or FSEC from Bureau of Fire Protection. Fire safety compliance per RA 9514. NHA clearance, if under NHA jurisdiction, from National Housing Authority with technical description. Affidavit of undertaking, notarized if required by LGU. Check with your LGU for project-specific requirements. Every clearance protects you, the community, and the environment. 3 critical reminders. Reminder number 1, validity. Application valid for 1 year only. After 1 year equals cancelled. Documents disposed. Reminder number 2, completeness. 1 missing document equals rejected. Use a checklist. Double check everything before submitting. Reminder number 3, Follow up. Follow up within 4 working days. Call the office of the building official. Be proactive for faster processing. That's it. 5 categories. Application forms. Notarized, signed, sealed for legal protection. Technical plans. 5 sets. Sealed by professionals for safety and compliance. Professional credentials. Current year PTR for verified authorization. Property documents. Certified true copies for proof of ownership. Special clearances, if applicable, for legal compliance. And this is important. There is a building permit fee. It's not free. Fee depends on 3 factors. Total floor area, type of construction, residential, commercial, industrial, total project cost. Typical computation, 0.1% to 1% of total project cost. Example, 5M project equals 5,000 to 50,000 fee, varies by LGU. Cost to budget, building permit fee, LGU. Professional fees, architect, engineers. Notary fees, document processing, certified copies. Soil testing, if required. Other clearance fees, if applicable. Check with your building official's office for exact fees before preparing documents. The building permit fee is an investment. It's your protection, legal, safety, and property value protection. After 30 years, this is still the #1 reason for delays, but now you know why it matters and what's involved. Invest in the right professionals. Budget for the fees. It's worth it. You're protected legally, the structure is safe, and there are no delays or surprises later. But many people forget what's even more important. How much does it really cost? Even if your requirements are complete, if your budget is wrong, you still have a problem. Watch this next video to understand the hidden costs most people miss, so your project won't get stuck because of unexpected expenses. Click it now.